Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Faisal and I am the student of MPhil Zoology, Government College, University, Faisalabad, Pakistan. And today here I am going to present my research work, Efficacy of Moringa oleifera byproducts based diets on growth performance and body composition of Catella cultured in earthen ponds. First of all, introduction. Fisheries and aquaculture have made significant contributions to global growth and well-being, and fish meal is a key source of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and a balanced profile of amino acids. Due to its high cost, most researchers have found plant products to be an excellent substitute for fish meal due to its low cost and year-round availability. The plant which I was used during my research, Moringa oleifera. The Moringa oleifera leaves have a crude protein concentration ranging from 25% to 32%, and its seeds contain 33% to 38% proteins. That's why I was used Moringa oleifera as a plant meal. The fish which I was used, Catla. It is surface feeder, highly nutritious, and it feeds predominantly on zooplankton. Hypothesis of my research: Moringa byproducts-based diets improved the growth performance and body composition of Catla fingerlings. Objectives of my research to find out the effects of Moringa byproducts-based diets on growth performance of Catla. To evaluate the body composition of Catla fed by Moringa byproducts-based diets, and the formulation of cost-effective and eco-friendly fish feed by evaluating the optimum level for replacing fish meal with Moringa byproducts-based diets. This slide shows the materials and methods of my research. Fish and experimental conditions. Fish were purchased from Government Fish Seed Hatchery, Satyana Road, Faisalabad, and then transported to Fish Nutrition Lab, Government College, University, Faisalabad. After that, all the fish were treated with NaCl to make them free from ectoparasites, and all the fish were acclimatized for 1 month in cemented ponds. All the water quality parameters were monitored with the help of standard meters. Experimental design. Moringa oleifera leaf meal and Moringa oleifera seed meal were incorporated in the diet by replacing the fish meal at the levels of 0%, 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%, and 30%. Total 12 earthen ponds were used, and 180 fishes were stocked in 12 earthen ponds, and for each pond 15 fish were stocked. Fish were fed at the rate of 5% of their live at weight twice daily. The trial duration lasted for 6 months. For the feed formulation, all the ingredients were analyzed for chemical composition, and all the ingredients were grinded and mixed with fish oil and water. So that dough was formed. The dough was passed passed through the pelting machine for the formation of pellets. At the end of the trial, the fish were harvested with the help of net. This table was this table shows the ingredients composition of test diets in percentage. There were 6 experimental levels were formulated by replacing the fish meal with Moringa oleifera seed meal and Moringa oleifera leaf meal. These levels were 0%, 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%, and 30%. At the end of trial, the 5 fish in each pond were anesthetized for approximate analysis. For body composition, following parameters were estimated to determine the crude protein. Microjalal apparatus was used. For the estimation of crude fat, Sox-Slet apparatus was used. And to determine the ash, the electric furnace was used. And the growth performance, to determine the growth performance of Catla, this formula was used. The statistical analysis and the data was subjected to one-way analysis of variance. This slide shows the results of growth performance of Catla fed Moringa oleifera leaf meal based diets. The fish, the fish showed the highest growth when fish fed 10% Moringa oleifera leaf meal based diets, while the fish were showed lowest growth when fish fed 30% Moringa oleifera leaf meal based diets. And the results of growth performance of Catla fed Moringa oleifera seed meal based diets. The highest growth was showed by the fish when fish fed 10% Moringa oleifera seed meal based diets, while the lowest growth was showed by the fish when fish fed 30% Moringa oleifera seed meal based diets. And the results of body composition of Catla fed on Moringa oleifera leaf meal based diets. The highest protein and ash were showed when fish fed 10% Moringa oleifera leaf meal based diets, and the lowest fat was showed by the fish when fish fed 10% Moringa oleifera leaf meal based diets, while the lowest protein and ash was showed by the fish when fish fed 30% Moringa oleifera leaf meal based diets, and the highest fat was recorded when fish fed 30% Moringa oleifera leaf meal based diets. The moisture was non-significant. And the results of body composition of Catla fed or Moringa oleifera seed meal based diets. The highest protein and ash was showed by the fish when fish fed 10% Moringa oleifera seed meal based diets, and the lowest protein was found when fish fed 10% Moringa oleifera seed meal based diets. And the lowest protein and ash content was found in fish when fish fed 30% Moringa oleifera seed meal based diets, and highest fat was recorded when fish fed 30% Moringa oleifera seed meal based diets. The moisture content was non-significant. This slide shows the conclusion of my research work. 10% replacement levels of Moringa oleifera leaf meal and Moringa oleifera seed meal improved the growth and body composition of Catla fingerlings. This slide shows the references. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.